Imagine walking your golden retriever and bumping into an identical twin. That's exactly what happened in Orange County when two dogs, Ahsoka and Aubrey, crossed paths. The uncanny resemblance was too striking to ignore, leading to an impromptu playdate. A few questions later, the owners discovered an insane coincidence. Their dogs are half-sisters, both fathered by a dog named Doc from the same breeder. In the midst of this extraordinary revelation, the dogs continued their play, oblivious to their newfound kinship. But the story doesn't end there. A comment on the viral video claimed yet another dog from the same breeder, a half-sibling to Ahsoka and Aubrey. Similar heartwarming tales of accidental discoveries of dog siblings have occurred elsewhere, like in Tennessee, where two rescue dogs turned out to be full siblings. It's a small world after all, especially in the dog community. Remember, if you enjoyed this tail-wagging tale, do like and subscribe for more.